Here's what you need to know about what is a collision domain. This is an exam topic in Domain 1, Networking Concepts. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A collision domain is a network segment where two devices can transmit at the same time and cause a data collision. Collisions corrupt both signals and force devices to retransmit. Modern switches eliminate collisions by giving each port its own dedicated collision domain. Key concept: what a collision is. A collision happens when two devices send data at the exact same moment on a shared medium. Both signals are corrupted and must be retransmitted. CSMA CD is the protocol that detects and handles collisions on Ethernet. Key concept: CSMA CD explained. Carrier sense. Multiple access with collision detection, CSMA CD, tells devices to listen before transmitting. If a collision occurs, devices stop, wait a random time, then retry. This reduces but does not eliminate collisions. Key concept: hubs versus switches. Hubs place all ports in a single collision domain. Any two devices can collide. Switches give each port its own collision domain, so collisions on one port never affect others. Switches made collisions nearly obsolete. Key concept: full versus half duplex. Half duplex connections share one channel for sending and receiving. Collisions are possible. Full duplex connections use separate channels for each direction. Collisions are impossible. Modern switched networks run full duplex. Let's look at the full breakdown. Hub, half duplex. All ports share one collision domain. CSMA CD required. Collisions degrade performance. Switch, full duplex. Each port =sign its own collision domain. No CSMA CD needed. No collisions. Dedicated bandwidth. Broadcast domain. Not split by hubs or switches. Only routers or VLANs split it. Different concept from collision domain. Here's a real-world example. In an old office with a hub, if two computers sent files at the same time, both transmissions collided and had to restart. The entire office slowed down as more users joined. Replacing the hub with a switch gave each computer its own dedicated lane. No more collisions, full speed for everyone. Quick recap before you go. 1. A collision domain is a network segment where simultaneous transmissions cause collisions. 2. CSMA CD detects collisions and tells devices to back off and retry. 3. Hubs =sign one large collision domain for all ports. 4. Switches sign one collision domain per port. Virtually eliminates collisions. 5. Full duplex connections have no collision domains at all. That's what is a collision domain? Covered. Exam tip. On the exam, switches separate collision domains, one per port. Routers separate broadcast domains. A hub with 10 ports =sign one collision domain. A switch with 10 ports =sign 10 collision domains. Next up, what is QoS? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.